Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you 3 simple tips for you to follow and some insight as a yoga teacher for those of you that are new to yoga and coming to a yoga studio for your first time. Alright, so some of the questions that you might have I do hope to answer in this video, and if I don't answer them then please feel free to comment below so that I can get back to you so you feel safe and comfortable entering a practice. Tip 1 is for me as an instructor, and for those of us that are instructors together, we love to know if you're new. So please let us know if you're a new student coming to our practice and into our studio, because we would love to greet you, but also encourage your space in the room. So it's helpful to let us know that you're new so we can help your mat placement be in a comfortable spot, make sure you have proper props, hydration, and then that you feel comfortable. It's important if you're new because you're coming back from injury or another activity is also let us know. We want to keep your body safe and comfortable. Number 2, props. So these are called blocks. Most studios offer blocks and a strap. And a strap looks like a very long tie or a belt. It's important that you grab 2 blocks and a strap when you're starting practice, especially when you're new, because they can assist you in your practice. They bring the ground closer to you because they allow you to place your hands or your feet on them, but they also allow you to have support. You're going to notice that many levels in practice use blocks and straps based on the anatomy and flexibility of the body, so you might always use them. If you're entering a beginner class or restorative class, you might also notice blankets and bolsters as well. Those props are offered in not hot classes, so that might also be something that the teacher suggests for you. The third tip is to rest whenever you need to, and that includes hydration. So always have your water bottle in your practice so you can sip water when needed. Rest is important so that you feel comfortable and you feel safe. If your heart rate feels incredibly elevated or you feel lightheaded, have a seat. Take child's pose whenever you need to, and maybe even step out of the room. You want to feel safe and comfortable, and you want us as instructors to give you that space so that you want to come back again. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I have other videos on my site as well, which allow you to kind of look through what types of yoga pants could be helpful for practice and mats. So check those out, and I hope to see you soon in class.